Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we will design this shirt in front of you. It's a panda design. So for this design we will need 3 photos, a face of a panda, sunglasses, and a panda footprint. The font used in this design is called Airstrike. Here it is, Airstrike Academy. You just type Airstrike in the font.com and you will get it. Here it is. You go to the font.com, you type Airstrike in the search box. You will get this result and you download it. Now we open a new page with these settings right here, the usual settings, except we change the resolution to 300. Now I drag the panda face to the design page, I put it right here, and I adjust its size like this. Now we use this eraser tool, we set its size. We zoom in a little bit, then we delete most of the face. We leave only the ears and the nose. So we keep going like this. I will even remove the eyes, and as I said, I will leave only the nose and the ears. So I keep going like this until I delete the whole face. Keep going. That's it. Make sure to leave nothing but what I need. That's it. We hide the background to make sure nothing is left. That's good. Now we add the sunglasses. So we drag them to the design page and we put it around here and we adjust their size. Now we will add the footprint. As you see, I need to remove the background, so I will use this tool again. I click on the background, then I click delete from the keyboard to delete the background. We have different tools to delete the backgrounds, because one is for a single color background, like this one. It had only white color in the background, and we have another tool for the multiple color background. So now we drag the footprint to the design page, we put it right here, and I copy the footprint either by dragging its layer like this, or I can right click and select duplicate layer. Now I put the footprint right here. I make sure that it's aligned with the other one. And now I set the font. And as you can see, the Airstrike font has a lot of types. I will use this one. Airstrike Academy Regular. And you're free to use any one you like. So we choose the Airstrike Academy. I activate the caps lock and I will type Panda. I put it right here. And here we are. It's very easy and fast design. You can apply this design and create it in a quick time. Now we save the design as a PSD, we give it a name, and we save it in case we needed to edit it later. That's why we save it in PSD type, so that we don't lose our work. Now I will extract the design as a PNG type image so that I can upload it on websites or I add it to the mockup. And always remember to remove the background when you want to extract the design. So I remove the background, I go to File, Save As, and I select PNG. Click Save, and here we are. The design is saved. Now I get rid of these pages. Now we go to the mockup, and as you see, the design is already added to the mockup, but I will show you how to do that again. We make the design layer as a smart object, then double click on the design layer, and I grab the PNG image of the design, I put it here, then I delete the other layer, leaving only the PNG design. Then I click save and the design appears in the mockup, as easy as that. So this is the final look of our design. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video to work on another design.